In today's video, I'm going to show you how to distinguish true art from a basic drawing using Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and go to your dashboard where you can access your generated images and creative tools. Next, understand that in AI creation, a simple drawing usually focuses on basic shapes or straightforward outputs, while true art is more intentional, refined, and emotionally expressive. After that, use Artistly AI's editing and enhancement tools to evaluate your image. Look at details like lighting, composition, color harmony, and depth. These elements help transform a simple drawing into something that feels more like complete artwork. You can also refine your prompt to add artistic direction, such as mood, storytelling, or cinematic style. As you improve your prompts and refine results, you'll notice the difference between a basic generated image and a more meaningful, polished piece of AI art. And that's how you can distinguish true art from a drawing using Artistly AI. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.